Look at that GTR. You've probably seen it before, that Carbon GTR. Super light, super fast. I mean, look at the wing. I have nothing on this guy. Anyways, today I'm fitting one of those. You've seen it before, window latch kit, because windows start flexing at 160 miles an hour and you don't want that on a fast car like this. So we're fitting them onto the windows on both sides. First, you need to determine where you want this latch to go. We found that this is the best place because it doesn't interfere with anything. Then you take your template. Every kit I sell comes with a template. You ask your helper, partner, or the owner of the car to stick it on the outside while you're putting this on the inside while holding the bracket that we're going to be welding to the cage. Take this.
Yep.
Now we position it in place where we think it's going to fit well. So we pay attention to how we want it. Hold on. You have to tell me when it's dead straight.
Yeah.
Happy with that?
Yeah, I'm happy with that.
As you can see now, we have a template on the outside for your drill holes and for your cutouts for the things. So the next step, get a drill, drill those holes. This is 38 mil, this is 25 mil. And then you massage it a little bit with a Dremel, bolt it on, clean the cage, weld the bracket, Bob's your ankle. Honestly, template makes it so much easier and so precise and quicker. Now that the latch is in a position, we need to put the bracket welded onto the cage. So the best way is to fit your latch first, obviously, then you position your bracket and you ask somebody to push on the door, on the glass as much as possible because you want a little bit of tension. Then you mark it on the cage where you need to clean it up. Then you use a Dremel, bit of sandpaper or something just to get to bare metal, and then it's welding time. Couple of good tacks on either side and then just a little bit of paint and it's done. Closes from the outside or from the inside, can be opened from the outside on the inside. That's the beauty about it. And also there is just enough flex if somebody will forget to unlatch it, and believe me, they will. It will still open without actually breaking your glass, but you do have to unlatch it before you close it because otherwise it will bend the opposite way. So yeah, I sell this. I only have 2 left from this batch. The new one will be maybe in February or whatever, so we'll take pre-orders. I do fitment because clearly this thing just arrived to me for fitment. But yeah, let me know, guys. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. That's a good one.